Sometimes I just want to go outside like this. What do you guys think? I think it's kind of cute. It is missing the little spoolie at the end, but will I give it away? No. Am I going to buy a new one? Probably not. Thanks for making a cameo. And to think, this cost me nothing! Hi guys! Welcome to Ouai's YouTube channel. My name is Kayla Steen, and I am a singer and songwriter, a new YouTuber, a commercial model, and a student based here in New York City. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I skimp, save, and splurge on my self-care routine. I don't really know how we're going to get through all of it because I have a final today and a presentation, and we got to tackle my real hair because yes, sis, this is a wig. I already washed my hair with Olaplex's shampoo and conditioner, and I spent like 28 bucks on this. It's something I definitely splurge on. I do not cut corners when it comes to my hair. This is 4C, ladies and gentlemen, and it takes a lot of patience and energy and time and love and care to get this kind of hair happy. Since I already shampooed and washed, I'm going to follow up with my favorite hair mask. This is the Ouai thick hair mask treatment. I'm gonna put this on my hair since it's still damp and work it through, and while I let this sit, we're gonna do some skincare stuff. The thing I like about this mask is how good it smells. It's just, I don't know, it smells like a bed of flowers. It's really thick too, so for girls with like 4C hair or anything that's like a little thicker, I think that this is good for you. Now I'll do this side. I like to do my hair because it's so thick. I like to keep it in twists while I'm doing it because otherwise it's too much. It's too much to deal with, and nobody wants to do all that. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit for you guys. Now that my hair is completely covered in the mask, I'm gonna move on to my other favorite part of my routine, which is skincare. This has to sit for 10 minutes anyway. Okay, so one of the things I like to save on is my exfoliator mask that I make at home using raw sugar, turmeric, we're not sure, and honey and a little bit of lemon. And it ends up looking like this, and so while I let other things sit in my hair, like my conditioner, I put this on my face and I don't know, just let that settle in so I can have bright and even skin tone. Oh, it's so sticky this time around. This is my favorite at-home mask to make, and it costs nothing to make this. I think maybe $10. This is gonna sit on my face while this mask cooks in my hair, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. While we wait on this, I'm just gonna nibble on some stuff that I found in the fridge that my boyfriend made. I shouldn't be starting my day with pasta, but that's what's happening. Oh, that reminds me, you guys haven't met Blake. This is Blake. Thanks for making a cameo. Here we go. Okay, so I just finished styling my hair and using all my favorite products. I did my braids using this Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, which only cost me $5 at the beauty supply store because I got the smaller one. I also used some jojoba oil to moisturize my ends, and then I sealed it all with honey hydrating conditioner that is by Camille Rose. You can get this at Target. I swear it's like, oh, I only spent 16 bucks on this. It looks small, but it lasts forever, and it's super thick and super juicy for people with hair like mine. I'm gonna finish by putting my favorite Ouai oil in my hair because I just think, I don't know, I like the way it smells. I love how shiny it makes my hair, and I'm just gonna put some more oil on the ends of my hair too. It's wintertime, so you really need to be sealing your ends in your hair. There's something about the security of tying your hair down. It feels so good. You just know when you take it off, your hair is going to be perfect. Edges will be laid. And of course, no makeup's gonna get in my hair, so shall we begin? So some of you might be wondering, why is she putting on makeup in quarantine? Well, it's because it makes me feel pretty, and especially on these like gloomy days when I just feel like I've been sitting in my bed all day. I also have class to go to and I have a presentation, so I gotta look cute, and sometimes it feels nice to get all gussied up. I like to start with this color corrector from MAC. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I splurge on makeup. There's probably 1 or 2 things in my makeup bag that is like a save item. Sometimes I just want to go outside like this. What do you guys think? I think it's kind of cute. So I do a color corrector. I let that set on my face for a little bit. I will say it sucks putting on makeup because it's like you're gonna put a mask on top anyway, so it's gonna get messed up. It's not like we could just go outside and be like, hey, look at my face. It's gonna be like, hey, look at half my face. Hey, look at my eyes. So I've been actually getting into eyeshadow because of that. So I'm feeling evenly covered. It's time to conceal. For that, I use this Too Faced concealer. I got this little baby one in Sephora. This would normally be a Splurge, but I got it in the little, you know how at Sephora they have like the line and you can get your stuff, like little grab and go pieces at the front of the line. Got this, $5, I think, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and conceal all the things that, all the sorrow and the under eye that being a New Yorker brings with rent and the struggle of living during a pandemic. Okay, so now that the concealing is done, we're gonna go in and contour with this Rare Beauty contour that I got from Sephora also. Myself some cheekbones. We're gonna call this eyeshadow look a day because I'm scared if I put anything else up here, it'll start to look cray-cray. Because I don't have a very big lid. Like, I only have so much room for so much stuff. This raggedy little palette is from CVS and it broke, and I don't care because they don't make this anymore. And it makes me really sad because it has the best highlighter in it. Y'all see how rinky dinky this is? The final thing on my skin, I'm gonna go in and take my powdered foundation from MAC that I've also had forever. And now I will make eyebrows appear where there were no eyebrows before. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil brush. And as you can see, it is missing the little spoolie at the end, but will I give it away? No. Am I going to buy a new one? Probably not. Do I always forget? All the time. We're gonna make some eyebrows appear with this Anastasia gel pot. Things are going well. Things are going well. I might have all this fancy stuff in my bag, but I only use NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It's the best. It'll run you $7. $7 for quality eyeliner. Watch this. I promise you guys, I'm gonna get my eyeliner on my face in like 5 seconds. Two down. Boop. Too lazy to go and buy another $17 tube of lipstick from MAC. I just save it until it goes all the way down and I use my finger to just pat in the lipstick, old school style. Here we go with the setting spray. All right, we look cute. This is not the final look. I'm gonna go put a wig on because it's winter time and there's no reason for your natural hair to be out here exposed to the elements. So we tack this beauty up, put it away, and I'm gonna go get coffee. Okay guys, so we are on our way to splurge a little bit and get some coffee. We're really on a tight time crunch because I have a test and I got one more errand to run in the city. So we're gonna go get some face wash. We're gonna try to speed run and get this coffee. We're gonna put a mask on. I would get a treat, but we're trying to save, so we're gonna skip on that. I'd say this was $6 well spent. Okay, so we need this guy, which you can see is $34, which isn't bad for skincare. And then we're gonna get, oh, this is $45. Do I want to spend that much today? Ooh. You know what? We're gonna have to budget and just get the face wash. Hello. my final. I am so nervous. I also have a presentation to do, and then afterward I'm gonna cook myself some dinner. I haven't been cooking much anymore. Like, I just grocery shopping and then going to cook it seems like a lot, but we're gonna do it today because I need to budget. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna make something pop. I know I can do it. I haven't cooked in a while, but I believe in myself. Okay guys, so I am really impressed with what I created. Okay, so there's fish, there's, I think it's squash, some rice, some veggies. Oh, it looks super professional. And to think, this cost me nothing. We just got done with dinner, which was amazing, thanks to me, the chef. And I had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. Thank you for tuning into Ouai's YouTube channel, and for more videos like this, make sure you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment below to let us know what you want to see next. For updates on me, make sure you guys follow at Kayla Steen on YouTube, which I just created, and make sure you guys follow on Instagram at kayla.steen to keep up with my music and all updates related to all things Kayla. Until then, stay safe and keep skipping, splurging, and saving on all your favorite goodies. Bye y'all.